Hello students, this is my 8th video of second semester of for the class 8 computer studies. In the last video I taught you about chapter 4 program coding unit 3 part 3 compiling and executing programs. I had told you about what is BlueJ, how to start BlueJ, how to write a program, how to compile and execute the Java program. In this video, I am going to tell you about chapter 4 program coding, unit 3 compiling and executing programs, part 4. Today I will be teaching you about Java programming, various ways to input values in a Java program. There are different techniques through which you can input values into a Java program. Now, while writing a program, children, in Java, we need to accept a value to perform operations to give meaningful result. And there are 4 different ways to input values in Java program. Okay, what are they? By using number 1, assignment statement. This is the first technique. Number 2, function argument. Number 3, by using input stream reader or also called buffer reader. And the fourth one is using scanner class. So there are 4 different ways or techniques to input values into a Java program. So we don't have to study all the 4 techniques or different ways. Only the first technique used here, that is taking input through assignment statement or by using assignment statement. So we need only to learn by using assignment statement. So let's see what is using assignment technique method is. So Java program using assignment statement. So what is this technique? In this technique, you are to take data on your own or mention otherwise within the program itself along with the appropriate data types. So you'll be asked to assign a value to the variable by your own or by the value given to you or mentioned otherwise within the program itself, not during the execution of the program but within the program itself along with the appropriate data types. So data types also have to be declared what type of data value you are going to use in the program. Now let's see this with the help of a program. If you are asked to write a program to find the average of 3 numbers A, B and C. So using assignment statement, how to write this program. So once again the question, write a program to find the average of 3 numbers A, B and C. So here is the program. We have the first line comment statement, that is the program to find the average of 3 numbers. So this first line double slash shows this is the comment statement or remarks, program to find average of 3 numbers. Then we have public class average. So here class name is average or program name you can say. Then we have got this pair of bracket, the outermost, this is the bracket for opening and closing the body of the class, and these 2 pair of the bracket, inner pair of brackets, are the brackets for opening and closing the body of the main method here. So in every program, as I told you earlier, now at this stage you will be writing public static void main string args as it is exactly. Here S is capital, rest all are in small letters. Here bracket and everything you have to write as it is. Now this is the body of the main method or the set of statements for finding the average of 3 numbers. Now here you see integer A is equal to 35, comma B is equal to 25, comma C is equal to 15. This is the actually the assignment statement used here to assign the value or taking the input in this program. So here in this input, we have got three variables A, B, and C. So these three are the inputs here, and we have to assign them values, and that we have done using assignment statement. There are different methods like the other three methods, using function argument, or using input stream reader or buffer reader, or using scanner class, but we don't have to study the other three techniques, only assignment statement. So here what we have done, we have declared three variables A, B, and C to be integer data types. So we have to declare also that variables are of which data type, and the values are assigned here 35, 25, and 15 by our own. So you can assign any value. So here A is equal to 35, B is equal to 25 are the assignment statements. Okay, and because they are all same data type integer, they can be separated by comma but ending with a semicolon. So this is the statement, a group of statement, actually assignment statements, where the input is given and the values are assigned. Next line, we have double average equal to 0. So here we have declared avg, another variable, to be of double data type, and its initial value 0, because we are going to calculate average, but the first value, initial value, is assigned to be 0. Then we have the formula avg is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 3. A plus b plus c is put in the small bracket. So you can put as many brackets you want in the expression to give the priority to the part of the expression, and the formula has to be correct one. And then we have the output statement, system out print line, average of three numbers is avg. So here plus is separator here, and semicolon at the end. So this is the program to find the average of three numbers using assignment statement. So this is the important statement here to tell you that this is the assignment statement to take the input. Now let's see another example, another question. Write a program to find the simple interest and amount when principal, rate, and time are given. So here is another question. Write a program to find the simple interest and amount. Two things we have to find out, and we are given principal, rate, and time. Okay, so using assignment statement, it can be using function argument, using scanner class, and also, but here in this stage, at this stage, you have to use only assignment statement. So here is the program. First line, we have got the comment statement, double slash program to find simple interest. Then we have the definition of the class, public class simple interest. So the name of the class is simple interest. We have the two words joined together. So the starting letter of the next word is in capital to make it legible that it's a mixture of two words, but make sure there is no space in between the two words or three words, whatever it is. There should be no space. Then here we have a public static void main string args. As it is, I told you, in every program you'll be writing this only. This is the declaration of the main function or main method. Then we have got this very important statement here. Here we have declared 5 variables: P, R, T, SI, and amount. Okay, the 3 variables for principal, rate, and time, P, R, and T, and 2 variables for one for simple interest and another for amount, and they are all declared to be double data type. Okay, so that's why I've written double in the beginning here, and the values are also assigned. The input is taken here using assignment statement. So we have got assignment P is equal to 3500, 3500. Now this value is taken by ourselves. So we can give our own values, or if it is mentioned in the question, principal 5000, rate 4.5, okay, then we have to give that value only here. Okay, so we can assign our own value or any value given. Okay, so here rate is 2.5. Now here you have to make sure that the units are not to be mentioned. Suppose it is given rate 4.5% and time 2 years. So here you don't have to write the 5 years or 2 years, or here 2.5%. No, units are not to be given, only pure number. So here P is equal to 3500. It's in rupees. So you don't have to give the units, only the pure values. Here double means values with a decimal point. And then they are all separated by comma because they are all of same type only. And they are initialized to be 0. SIN amount initialized to be 0. So here 3 values are given. So they are the inputs here in this question. So this is the very important statement to take the input using assignment statement. And then we have the next line, the formula to calculate simple interest, you know very well. P into R into T divided by 100. So PRT is in the bracket here to make it a numerator, and 100 is the denominator. Then SI is calculated, simple interest calculated and stored into SI, and amount is calculated using the formula P plus SI. And then we have the output statement, system out print line, simple interest in rupees. So here you can give the units. In rupees is SI, and the amount in rupees is AMT. So the variable used for amount is AMT and ending with a semicolon. So then you have got 2 brackets here, one for closing the main method and another for closing the class simple interest. So I hope you have understood this method of taking input using assignment statement. So with this we come to the end of this video, chapter 4 unit 3 part 4. In the next video we will learn about decision making statement in Java. So till then, stay safe, take care, see you in the next video. God bless you. Bye.